Hello, welcome back to my channel. One of my previous videos we discussed about longitude and latitudes, and now let us discuss about finding and plotting points of longitudes and latitudes of place on the globe or map. That's what we are going to discuss about. It is about finding and plotting points of longitude and latitudes of place on the globe or map. So with this topic, remember that when we say longitudes, these are vertical lines which are running from north to south, while latitudes are horizontal lines running from east to west. And for instance, from this is a map that you have here. This map is made by lines of longitudes and latitudes. You see, before talking about this map, it's better to show on the map when you are going to find the point of place to locate latitude and longitude. Know first from that map that you have, know what is equator from that map and what is prime meridian. This is at 0 degree here. We have a line which dividing the earth into two parts which are equal, dividing northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This line is called equator. This is from here up to there. This is our equator. And apart from having equator on this map, we have also a line which dividing the eastern part of the globe. Eastern part of the globe is this one, and the western part of the globe is this one. So this line which is dividing those two parties is what we call, this is prime meridian. It is prime meridian. Now, this map, there are another thing that we have to understand from this figure or this map or this globe. We have what we call quadrants. Quadrants are four parts. Apart from having prime meridians and equator, we have the first part which is coming from here up to there. I mean, this part is what we call first quadrant. The second part is this one. This one. It is the second quadrant, and this the third one, and this is the last one. Now we are going to try to show how can you finding and plotting point of the longitude and latitude of place on the globe or map. With this, you see here we have north, here we have this party, this is the eastern part, and this is the western part. This is the western part. And when you look here, you see that this is the northern part, and this is the southern part. Here we have degrees that are located for both longitude and latitude. You see that when you look, our first longitude is prime meridian. This is our first longitude at 0 degree. We have at 0 degree we have prime meridian. At 10 degree we have another longitude 10 degree, east. Here we have 20 degree east. Here we have 30 degree east and the 40 degree east, because we are in the eastern part. This is the part which is considered as eastern one. Now we move to, let us move to western part. This is the western part. From here up to there we have western part. This western part also we have longitudes. Those longitudes are, we have 10 degree west, 20 degree west, 30 degree west and 40 degree west. These are longitudes. We have 10 east, 20 east, 30 degrees east and 40 degrees east, and we have 10 degrees west, 20 degrees west, 30 degrees west and 40 degree west. And remember that they are called longitude because these are vertical lines. These are vertical lines running from northern part towards southern part. Now let us talk about latitude from this map. So latitudes are imaginary lines which are horizontal and they run from eastern part towards western one. Now you see our first latitude is equator. It is running from east towards west, and equator is located at 0 degree. When you move towards 10 degree, here we have also 10 degree north, we have 20 degree north, 30 degrees north, and we have 40 degrees north. Here also we have 10 degrees south. Here we have 20 degrees south. Here we have 30 degrees south and 40 degrees south. These are latitudes. So we are going to try to show how to write point of latitude and longitude from on the map or putting them on the map. Now, before, let us see how to write the point of longitude and latitude. So we write the point of latitude and longitude by using pairs. When we say pairs, first of all, it is in this form. Here we represent the first number or the first degree. Here we represent latitude, and for the second one we represent longitude. So it means we write latitude first, comma, and longitude. Longitude. Good. Let us take example. Present. Example. Present 30 degrees north and 0 degrees on the map. This means that this is 30 degrees represent latitude, and this one represent longitude. So we are going to put them on the map. I use this map. Here we are going to present 30 degrees south, north, and 0 degrees and 0 degrees. Okay. Here you see this is north. This 30 degrees represent latitude. So here we have 30 degrees. because we are in the north, 30 degrees north, and 0 degrees. This 0 degree is represent longitude, and longitude, these are vertical lines, and here we have 0 degrees. So the point of intersection of 30 degrees and 0 degrees, 0 degree, it means the point of intersection of latitude and longitude is at this place. Come like this. Here we have here, and they meet here. This is our point, 30 degrees north and 0 degree. Let's take a second example. Present second example, 25 degrees south and 20 degrees east on the map. So from this, here we are going to present 25 degrees south. Here we have 20 south, 30 degrees south. It means 25 is between 20 and 30. Here we have 25 degrees south and 20 degrees east. 20 degrees is here. So the point of intersection is, we come like this. Point of intersection here. It means this is the point 25 degrees south and 20 degrees east. Also, there is a situation where they will give you point of longitude and latitude on the map, and they ask you to write those points on your notebook, on your paper. So for example, let us see. Here we have a point. Here we have a point on the map, or a place on the map. This place, and they ask you to write. They ask you to write point of latitude and longitude. And remember that to write the point of longitude and latitude, we write those points in the form of pairs, and you write first latitude and then after longitude. So the point of the latitude and longitude of this point is, this is our point that which we have, and the point of longitude is, here we have longitude, latitude, you write latitude first. We have, these are latitudes, those horizontal lines. We have 10 degrees south, and here we have 10 degrees east. This is how to write the point of latitude and longitude from the map, or on the map. So finding the Earth location around a map or globe using latitude and longitude, this is very important to find them using latitude and longitude. For instance, when you want to use GPS and Google Map, all those problems, they will be resolved using latitude and longitude. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are new for this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next.